What's up, guys? I think we were all thinking the same thing, that this whole DVX thing was a big scam, but somehow my package finally got to me. At first it got shipped from China to San Diego. I live in New Jersey, but it's finally here. I figured I'd come on here and make a video for you guys to kind of put your minds at ease, but I'll just start with this unboxing. So I'd say the box looks nice. I mean, could have been a lot more simple. Just, you know, if you're buying this off the shelf, that's one thing, but I mean, just coming straight to my house, I don't really care how nice it looks. Yeah, I don't know, they got some of their awards and stuff on there. No big deal. I think we're all more concerned with the functionality and everything anyway. Okay, so it looks like instructions are just kind of on top and like a little insert there. I'll take a look at this stuff later, but just quick contents. Looks like just some sort of, I don't know, translucent kind of cover sheet. Some awards. I don't know. I really thought Steve was a big scam this whole time. I'm actually shocked to be even opening this box right now. Just a bunch of nonsense here. No big deal. This is what we're all here to see anyway, so here we are. All right, some eye caps. I'll take a look at that a bit. Compass. Whatnot. I don't know, it doesn't look like a demo or anything like that, but we got some sound. Cool. Battery's full. I'm not gonna do like a full review right now, just kind of wanted to, again, just put your minds at ease. It finally got here. I ordered mine back in March. No, I'm sorry, I ordered mine back in January. And yeah, here it is.